we were studying about molecules, a group of atoms which are tightly held together by attractive forces are called molecules. It is the smallest particle of any form of the matter which has independent existence and has all the properties of that element or compound, or you can say that matter. So what are the types of molecule? I would like this you should note in your notebook. What is molecule and what are its types? Types of molecules on the basis of which kind of atoms it is combined of. It is either homoatomic or heteroatomic. As the name suggests, homo means same. If any molecule is made up of same kind of atoms, then it is called homoatomic molecule. But if any molecule is made up of atoms of different kind, then it is called heteroatomic molecule. Now, further they are having the other types like monoatomic. Monoatomic means mono, as the name suggests, having one atom only. If any element's molecule is made up of one atom only, then it is called monoatomic molecule. Generally, inert gases which do not react in nature, they are homoatomic, like helium, neon, argon, etc. And metal, in metal, platinum and gold are also monoatomic in nature. But generally we take these two as these three: helium, neon and argon. Now about the diatomic. What are the diatomic molecules? Di means two, having two atoms. If a molecule has two atoms, then it is called diatomic molecule, like H2, hydrogen gas, N2, nitrogen gas, oxygen, O2 gas, Cl2, chlorine gas. See, I am always taking same kind because this is homoatomic molecule, molecule of same kind of atom. H2. H2 means two atoms of hydrogen. N2, two atoms of nitrogen. Similarly, two atoms of oxygen or two atoms of chlorine. If I am saying triatomic, triatomic homo kind of element is only ozone, O3. Now, tetraatomic element is tetraatomic molecule is of phosphorus. Phosphorus exists in P4 form, and polyatomic means having more than, see, generally we say if there are more than 3 atoms in a molecule, then we say it as polyatomic. So sulfur exists as S8. Sulfur exists as S8 molecule. Now we are on the heteroatomic molecules, those which are made up of different kind of atoms. They cannot be monoatomic because we have to choose different kind of atoms and at least two should be there, right? So they are not monoatomic. There cannot be any monoatomic heteroatomic molecule. Now for the diatomic molecule, we are having carbon monoxide having the symbol CO. Take into mind, C and O both should be capital. If we will take CO, it will be cobalt. So don't take CO. We are not to write C capital and O small. This is carbon monoxide. Nitric oxide. You can say nitrogen oxide also. Nitric oxide, NO. And the other examples are HCl, HBr, HI. Cl is one element, H is 1. H is 1, bromine, Br, HI. So these are diatomic molecules. See, I am writing in, these are the diatomic heteroatomic molecules. Have you understood? See, they are having two different atoms. Now, triatomic. Triatomic mana, but they should be hetero as well. means their atoms should be different also. One is CO2. Although oxygen are 2, carbon is 1. So at least overall it is heteroatomic. CO2, carbon dioxide, SO2, NO2, they are all heteroatomic, triatomic. How they are triatomic? 2 oxygen and 1 carbon. 2 oxygen, 1 sulfur. 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygen. Understood? So they are the triatomic molecules. Now we have to think for tetraatomic. Tetraatomic means having 4 atoms. A molecule should contain 4 atoms. NH3, ammonia. This is uncommon name to you, ammonia. PH3, phosphine, etc. They are tetraatomic molecules. 3 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen. Okay. Next can be polyatomic. Polyatomic means more than, see, if we are having 4 atoms like H2SO4, HNO3, H2CO3, Na2CO3, H3PO4. Now see here, 3 oxygen, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 6. 9. Na is sodium, 2, 3 and 3, 6. Hydrogen 3, 1 phosphorus 4 and oxygen 4 to total 8. So these are all polyatomic molecule. Now one more thing. What is the atomicity of a molecule? In one molecule, as much as the number of atoms, that is called the atomicity of the molecule. Like here, what is the atomicity of this molecule? 1, because there is only 1 atom of helium. What is the atomicity of N2? Nitrogen are 2, so its atomicity is 2. P4. What is the atomicity of phosphorus? 4. What is the atomicity of CO2? CO2 means 2 oxygen, 1 carbon. So what is the atomicity of CO2? 3. What is the atomicity of ammonia? Hydrogen 3, nitrogen 1. So what will be the atomicity of NH3? 4. Understood? What is the atomicity of carbonic acid? H2CO3? 3 oxygen, 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Hope you have understood this thing.